Okay, you're gonna wash your bottles as normal. Clean them out with some soap and water. Make sure you get all the soap out. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the nipples and we're gonna clean those. And we're gonna take them off of the lid. And then we are going to stuff every nipple inside the bottles accordingly. And I already had the water pre-boiling. Then we're gonna go and get some spick and span. I like to put about a cap full. Antibacterial. And then we're gonna place the bottles in and you're gonna let them boil. And the reason why I put the nipples inside the bottle is so while it's boiling, they will like steam inside of the bottle as well. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.